Welcome to our ultimate beard trimmer showdown. Today we're diving deep into a comparison between two popular grooming tools, the Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000. We'll look at their features, pricing, and versatility to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Panasonic ERG42K is priced at $54, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable beard trimmer. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 comes in at $89, reflecting its extensive features and accessories. While the Panasonic offers great value, the Philips provides a more comprehensive grooming solution. In terms of features, the Panasonic trimmer boasts an adjustable precision dial with 19 length settings, allowing for customized grooming. It also has a waterproof design and hypoallergenic blades. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 offers 21 tools, including Smart Beard Sense technology that adjusts power based on beard density, making it a more advanced option for users seeking versatility. When it comes to versatility, the Panasonic ER-GB42K is a streamlined beard trimmer designed primarily for facial hair grooming. However, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 is an all-in-one grooming kit that caters to beard, body, and facial hair, making it a more versatile choice for those looking to handle multiple grooming tasks with one device. In conclusion, both the Panasonic and Philips trimmers have their strengths. The Panasonic is perfect for those on a budget who want a reliable beard trimmer, while the Philips Norelco offers a comprehensive grooming solution with advanced features. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.